How to do Remitly transaction. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps on how to send money through Remitly. To do Remitly transaction is the same thing as sending money and receiving money on Remitly. So the first step is to sign in into your Remitly account. Once you're signed in and you're brought to the home page, at the top part of the screen, you can see three tabs, which include send money, transfer history, as well as reference. So under send money, the next step to do is to go ahead and type out the amount that you'd like to send. For example, 5,000 USD. Then once you click on that, the amounts that the person would receive depending on the currency. All right, this is not fixed, depends on the currency. And then once you're done with that, click on continue, and then once you click on continue, you'll be brought to the page where you'll see provide a few details and all. Now the reason it's showing me to asking me to provide a few details is because I have not completed my identity verification. But for you, if you've completed your identity verification, you'll be directed immediately to a page where you'll be asked to provide your recipient's bank account information, such as their name, the bank account, the number, and all of that. And then once you've done that, you also be asked to choose your own payment methods. How do you want to send the money? And then once you've done fill in all of the required details on the page, click on send money, and then the money will be sent. But for you, if you've not done your identity verification, click on continue, and then on this page, you'll be asked to choose one of the items. If you have your SSN, you can do that. If you don't have it, just click on passport. Read through all of this, understand it, click on I understand. And then you'll be referred to your computer device. Ensure you have your passports already and then upload them. And then once it has been uploaded, it's verified. And then once it has been verified and accepted, you can now go ahead and send the money. And all of the options, such as the recipient's bank account and all of that, will be displayed for you. Then you can now go to the top part of the screen where you can see transfer history and click on it. And after clicking on transfer history or the transfer history page, you can now see some other tabs such as all transfers, in progress, delivered. So you can now check out the transfers that you've made and you are good to go. So this is how to go about it, okay? Thanks for watching and have a good day.